Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about significant story of the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim in Islam. Prophet Ibrahim, known as Abraham in other traditions, is a highly respected figure in Islam. His life full of lessons about faith, obedience and sacrifice. Let's explore 5 key events related to his story.
Prophet Ibrahim's early life and calling. Prophet Ibrahim was born into a society that worshipped idols. Even as a young boy, he questioned this practice and believed in the one true God Allah. His father was an idol maker, but Ibrahim refused to worship them, showing his strong faith from a young age. Allah chose Ibrahim as a prophet to guide his people to the truth. Despite teaching many challenges and opposition from his own family and community, Ibrahim remained steadfast in his belief. This teaches us the importance of standing up for what is right even when it's difficult.
Ibrahim's prophethood and journey. As a prophet, Ibrahim traveled widely to spread the message of Islam. His journey took him through many lands where he preached about the oneness of Allah. During his travel, he built Kaaba in Mecca, which became the holiest site in Islam. One of the most significant moments in his life was his willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail in obedience to Allah's command. This was a test of his faith and devotion. It shows us that true faith involves complete trust and obedience to Allah.
The sacrifice of Ismail. The story of Ibrahim's sacrifice is a central event in Islam. Allah commanded Ibrahim in a dream to sacrifice his son Ismail. When Ibrahim told Ismail about the dream, Ismail showing faith, obedience and encouraged his father to fulfill Allah's command. As Ibrahim was about to sacrifice Ismail, Allah intervened and sent a ram to be sacrificed instead. This event is commemorated every year during the festival of Eid al-Adha, reminding us of the importance of obedience, faith and sacrifice.
The legacy of Ibrahim's sacrifice. The legacy of Ibrahim's sacrifice continues to inspire Muslims around the world. During Eid al-Adha, Muslims perform the ritual sacrifice of an animal, such as sheep or goat, to remember Ibrahim's willingness to obey Allah's command. The meat from this sacrifice is distributed to family, friends, and those who need, promoting charity and community.
The story of Prophet Ibrahim and the sacrifices of Ismail is a powerful example of faith and obedience in Islam. It teaches us to trust in Allah, to be willing to make sacrifices, and to always strive to do what is right. Let's remember these lessons to our life and strive to be devoted and faithful as Prophet Ibrahim. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.